Hello everyone, Matt the Cat here, and welcome to vlog 2 of the Disney cruise. Me and my family just woke up and we're currently getting ready for the next day. We're gonna go eat breakfast and do some more exploring around the cruise, and we're gonna head to the first island in the Bahamas. And I don't know what's going on up there. There's a lot of banging up here, but anyway, I'll meet all of you guys at the breakfast table. I'm currently having banana, bacon, grapes, and cinnamon roll. Jonathan's having the same thing, but with a donut and hash browns.
That's corned beef.
Dad's thanks. Dad's having sausage and eggs. And you're having a muffin. Okay, we're gonna eat this and gonna do a lot of exploring before we arrive at Nausea, the first island in the Bahamas. We just arrived at a port and it looks like Nausea. I think we have arrived at one of the islands of the Bahamas. Sweet. Can't wait to get off the ship and explore this place. This is why seeing the world is worth it. Been playing Super Smash Bros. All by myself. It's been a while since I played this, but maybe this will make me buy the Smash game for the Switch. We just got out of the cruise ship and we're about to start our tour to Atlantis. We're gonna get on the buses and I don't know where they're gonna drop us off, but I'm gonna show you guys where we're gonna be going. I could literally jump off this port right now.
I'm going to go get them, guys. Okay.
We just got off the bus and we're here at Atlantis. Oh my goodness, it's so big. You guys want to go swimming? Here we go! You guys really thought I was going to throw my phone in the water, did you? Technically I did, but it's in the protective case. I'm wearing this loop thing that prevents it from falling. But you see fish. We see a lot of fish here, or at least I think it's fish. Now those are leaves. Never mind, they're not fish. This place looks cool, but I wonder what happened to the real Atlantis. Was it just a myth, or was it a real thing, but they couldn't find out, so they had to make this instead? I don't know. Let me guys know what you think in the comments. Wow, this is... oh my. This section right here, you do not want to go swimming in there. I don't trust this at all. What are these? Bull mermaids? I don't know. We are inside the hotel, and now we're gonna go outside and see what's out there.